In this video, I'm going to show how to make a beaded Shamballa bracelet made of 21 beads with macrame knot closure. So for this we need these materials. One is red tail cord, scissors. These are sandalwood beads I'm using. They are 8 millimeters big, and one center bead which is lamp work glass bead, and we also need 2 crystal beads, smaller ones, 6 millimeter for the end knots, and the last one, not the least, are these rhinestone spacer beads. So I have cut 2 pieces of red tail cord. One is 53 centimeters long. The shorter one is 41 centimeters long. So we need these two to make the bracelet. I'm going to take the longer one of the 2 red tail cords. So I had to sharpen the ends to make it easier for me to put the beads in. So I'm going to use a lighter. So like this, I'm going to burn the end and sharpen it. And same on the other side. Okay, I'm going to start making the bracelet. So with the longer red tail cord, I'm going to put all the beads here. This is the center bead. Okay, I'm going to the other side. Okay, so like this. So 5 at a time. So I have put 5. Next I'm going to put one more rhinestone spacer bead. That's how it looks, and here 5 more. So let's go to the other side. Put one of these. Then 5 of sandalwood beads. And rhinestone spacer bead, then the remaining sandalwood beads. This is the basic design. So now I'm going to show how to make macrame knot. So for this I need a flat basket. So I put the red tail cord like this. Beads are at the center, and I go like this and put it here and put a paper clip so that it stays in position. So now I'm going to make the knots. So this is the other ragtail cord, which was smaller than the first one. So fold like this into half and take the middle part and go like this, hold like this, and starting to make the knots. So this way. So I have put 9 macrame knots, and this can go like this. That's how you can adjust the size, and you can bring back together like this. Now I'm going to show you how to make end knots. For this I'm going to put one crystal bead, the smaller one, on this side, one more on this side. Yeah, so take this one. So I'm going to make end knot here. So I go like this. So one, loop it again, 2, go inside, 3, make one more, so this is made so that this doesn't come out. So I'm going to make on the other side too. So I'm going to cut this, leave some gap here, put this here too, and these two. So I'm going to burn this hand so that they don't come out. You can cut the some more part. on this side. This is done. Let's go here. Tighten it for the last time. This is how the bracelet looks. It is adjustable and it can be pulled like this for a closure. So now I'm going to show how to wear this. I'm going to use my left hand here, so you can put like this and pull it towards you and go to the other side. Pull on the other side and turn it. And go hold one and pull it, so it is tight. Thanks for watching.